Tether said on Tuesday that its USAT token is now live in the US and it's being issued in partnership with Anchorage Digital, the first federally chartered digital asset bank in the US. This is a big deal for Tether because it really represents their first product that's being offered in compliance with the Genius Act on crypto exchanges like Crypto.com and Kraken. The Genius Act was passed into law this summer, and it's a regulatory framework for stablecoins requiring companies in the US to primarily back their dollar-pegged tokens with cash in US treasuries. As the legislation was taking shape last year, JP Morgan was among institutions that questioned how Tether would navigate the framework, considering that its flagship token is partially backed by assets including Bitcoin and gold. On Tuesday, Tether said that it is still progressing towards full Genius Act compliance for USDT, but in the meantime, USAT is a token that can serve institutions' needs. When Tether unveiled USAT in September, it appointed Bo Hines as CEO of a dedicated US entity. He's the former White House Crypto Council executive director, but that's not the only connection here to the White House. The USAT tokens backing its reserves are going to be custodied by Cantor Fitzgerald, the Wall Street investment bank that was formerly led by US Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick. In 2023, when the industry was on its back foot, Howard Lutnick really emerged as one of the biggest backers for Tether, saying that he was a big fan of the company, and Cantor Fitzgerald itself held on to some of the reserves, particularly US treasuries backing Tether's token. Tether is widely popular outside of the US, but this really underscores the company's efforts in order to strike a balance, being able to offer a product that complies with US laws while still being able to preserve its lead in the stablecoin market internationally.